Hi, thank you all for stopping by. We greatly appreciate it. I need to do an update on something on my desk. Here we go. Hi, y'all. So, if you stuck around all the way to the end, we thank you. The reason why I did this extra equipment on my desk is because I have the stand up desk, which rises while I'm working. And this that I added to my desk, it holds my monitors and it also gives me two drawers that I could put some little whatnots in, like my sticky notes, pens, extra pens, because you see I have my pen holder. But I have so many little trinkets and things that's on my desk that I just need to put away. I don't need to have all of that visible. But that is why I decided to order this. So tomorrow's my first day. I'll see how it works. Hopefully it works well and I don't take it down and have to start over and just put it on the desk. But we'll see how it goes. My laptop is not raised, so I'll see how that works. Because the razor that I had that lifts my laptop up doesn't fit too good between the two drawers, which I had to get because my desk doesn't have drawers. But all in all, it should work well. But thank you all for stopping by. We greatly appreciate it. We'll see you all next time, and many blessings.